This is what happened. Been working on the SR car today. It's Sunday before Labor Day. Saturday. I don't know. I never know what day it is. But yeah, let's go take a look and see what we got going here. This guy confirmed needs head gaskets. Boo. Did some gravel wheel fitment on that today. Boom. Strip the front end so we can get all this dirt out of here, make it all nice and pretty again. I don't know, maybe I'll jack it up, take the wheels off, clean all the stuff underneath, these frame rails and support and everything. This is all just oil residue. This will all be nice and bright, shiny white again, and orange. And yeah, we'll get this all cleaned up. Don't worry about the wire mess. That's just stock wires. It's fine. It's no problem. It's been like that for 8 years. So yeah, you can see maybe back in there is all dirty. It's all dark in there. Wait until I clean all that. It's gonna be all white. So, and then yeah, we've got our what has now become the headlight bar, because I have no headlight in this one, but I have this threaded rod just here as a stay, kind of keep it up. This side, I actually just welded the pivot point. So I'll clean up that stuff too. Fenders, I don't know. I'm up in the air on that one. What to do if I'm going to put those back. Steven's over here cleaning, prepping surfaces on the transmission housings so we can get stuff going. I kind of want to put these fenders back on, which are pretty beat, but they are the fenders from 2014 and need quite a bit of help. They need some fiberglass from the back and, you know, whatever, but yeah, I don't know. I kind of want to put those on, kind of maybe want to get some new ones and just do new ones again, but I don't know. I don't think I care that much, to be honest. I'll probably just put the metal ones back on. And then, yeah, we went through a whole bunch of transmissions. So this was the trans that was in the car. It's all broken. This is all supposed to be one piece there, and it's just not anymore. Reverse, fifth gear. This is why I didn't have fifth or reverse. It would go into gear, like when you would actually move the shifter, it would go into gear, but it wouldn't do anything. So that's what's up. But then, yeah, in the SR transmission explosion, we have a bunch of SR parts, a trans case, a little bell housing. I think this is a KA bell housing, but it's one of the spares I have. SR bell housing, another SR trans, two SR trannies, SR bell housing with a hard body KA trans. This is for our SR Corolla. Two other bell housings, three other tail shaft sections. We got to this one and found none of the gears are broken. None of them appear to be missing any teeth, which is great. It seems to shift into all the gears, which is also great. And look at that. It's got fifth and reverse, which is exactly what I need. I really don't care about fifth too much, but you know, having reverse again would be really nice to get it like off the trailer and move it around and, you know, drive it like a car. So yeah, I'm gonna not step on my phone and yeah, get to work here. I'm gonna clean this all up. You'll see what it looks like in a bit.